everybody again. This is another room tour view. This time we are staying at Eala My Lakeside Dream, just outside of Limone, Italy, or Riva del Garda, Italy, and it's on Lake Garda. We are staying in room 102, so you have a key card, just popped out of there, it turns green. So we have a Junior Suite Albus room. It's on the first floor based on the number 102. This hotel actually goes from first to, I think it's the 7th floor, in reverse order. So the one closest to the road is the first floor, and the one at the bottom, and I'll show you what I mean, is the 7th floor. Very ample storage space here for your luggage. They delivered the luggage pretty much immediately upon our arrival. We didn't have to wait at all. We came down to the room probably 5 minutes after check-in, after our welcome drink, and the luggage was already there. Next up, we have the coffee and tea area. So you have your Eala coffee maker. You have some glasses and cups ready to go. Some welcome candies. In here, you will find your Eala coffee pods, and in here you'll find your teas. There's 2 of them. I don't know if I open like that, but here you have the minibar menu. These things do cost money, so just make sure you are aware of that before you start partaking. Over here is the safe. Pretty generic standard safe you'll find in any high-end hotel. And then over here on the left, you have some wine glasses, a wine bottle, a bottle opener, as well as some Eala matches. Below the coffee station, you have some additional nuts. Looks like a bag of chips, a couple of glasses, and then you have on the right side the mini fridge. Again, this is not complimentary, you do have to pay for it, but it looks like it's stocked with a couple of wines, some sparkling water, some cokes, a couple of beers, and so on and so forth. And then over here you have the bathroom. So really spacious shower. Love how they have the hose. That is also always a nice feature. Your typical assortment of shampoos, body washes, and hair balms. Beautiful sit-in tub, and then a dual vanity here with slippers in a row on the bottom for each person, as well as some additional towels. And then you have a hand station here, and in here you will find some additional things to assist with your hygienic endeavors. I believe this is the blow dryer. Yes. And then there's a brush here as well. In here you will find the toilet and the bidet. And then moving on to the actual bedroom, you are greeted by a massive king-size bed. Beautiful design, built-in TV, plenty of desk space if for some reason you choose to work at a resort like this. I don't know why you would. You should enjoy it to the max. And here we do have a complimentary set of sparkling and natural or still water. And in this box is a couple of cookies. Some more seating area on both sides. In this binder or in this folder, you'll find all the details of the spa and all that kind of stuff and what they kind of go through during the check-in process. But that's in that folder there. And then we move on to the last and best thing about this hotel is the view. So to open this door, if it is swinging closed, you basically got to go all the way down and slide it open. You're greeted by this beautiful view of Lake Garda, private balcony, and look at this view. Below you'll find the pool area. This is on the 7th floor along with the spa. The pool is open 24/7. It's also heated, so you can swim at night if you want after dinner. This is probably the only resort that I've ever been on that actually allows the pool to be used after dinner, which is a very awesome little detail. Further down from that, you have the actual beach. You can see there's a couple of lounges down there, but it seems like on that area over here, there's actually an entrance to the water. So we'll be heading down there after dinner ourselves, but you can see the water is just so blue, it's so clear. But yeah, that's the room tour of a Junior studio in Albus at Eala My Lakeside Dream. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy your stay if you choose to come here.